Hello students, in this video I will teach the best trick to find the coordination number in very easy way. Okay. So as we know, coordination number actually tells us how many atoms are directly bonded to the central metal ion, right? So the coordination number will be always equal to the number of sigma bonds around the central atom. So coordination number is always equal to the number of sigma bonds. Okay. For example, let's take this compound Ni, which is bonded to carbonyl group. Okay. So the coordination number here will be, here we have 4 sigma bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sigma bond. So the coordination number will be 4 for this, which is a tetrahedral structure. But we cannot always predict the same way. So this is one type to find the coordination number. Okay, let me now reveal a very easy trick to find the coordination number. The formula for the coordination number. So the formula to find the coordination number is coordination number equal to number of ligands into denticity. Okay. Uh, Students, I have already posted a video on denticity. What is denticity and the types of ligands, monodentate, bidentate, and tridentate, and everything. So just go and watch the video. I have linked the video in the description and also in the playlist. So just go and watch it so you would understand it clearly. For now, I will explain about denticity in a very simple manner. That is, denticity, it is just the number of lone pair of electrons donated by the ligand. For now, I will say it in a very simple way. It is just the number of lone pair of electron. Number of lone pair of electron donated by the ligand. Okay, that is how many lone pair of electron that the ligand is donating to the central metal atom. Okay, just remember this. This is known as denticity. To know detail about that, just go and watch the video I have already posted, and I have given the link in the description. Okay, now let's try out some questions. The first example is FeCN6 4 minus. Here, to find the denticity, we have to multiply the number of ligands into the denticity, right? So here the number of ligands is 6 into the denticity. Here Cn is a monodentate ligand. If it is a monodentate ligand, it will have a denticity of 1. So it will be 6. So the coordination number for this compound will be 6, which is a octahedral. Okay, now let's proceed to the next. It's so simple, right, students? Okay. Here we have 4 NH3 ligands, right? CuNH3 4, 2 plus. So 4 NH3 ligands into denticity. So NH3 is also a monodentate ligand. So if it is a monodentate ligand, it will have a denticity of 1. So its coordination number is 4. Okay. The next compound is Na2PtCl3. So here the ligand is Cl6. We are having 6 ligand into denticity. Cl also is a monodentate ligand, so it will be 1. So its coordination number is 6. Next one. K3FeC2O4 3. Here we have 3 ligands into denticity. Noted students, C2O4 is a bidentate ligand. Okay, it is a bidentate ligand. So it will have a denticity of 2. So its coordination number will be 6. Okay, next. CONH3 5 Cl. So we have 2 ligands. One is NH3 and one is Cl. So first let's do this. We have 5 NH3 ligands, and NH3 is a monodendritic ligand. Plus of, we have one Cl ligand into Cl is also a monodendritic ligand. So if we total this, we will get 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The next one, AgNH3 2 plus. So here we have two ligands into denticity. Here the NH3 is a monodendritic ligand, so it will be 1. So the coordination number will be 2. Okay, the last one, COEN2 H2O2 Cl3. Okay, but we have to only calculate the ligand. The Cl3 is a counter ion. Okay, here we have 4 ligands totally. So first for En into En is a, we have seen what is En. En is a ethylene diamine, ethylene 1 comma 2 diamine, right? So it is a bidentity ligand. So as it is a bidentity ligand, its denticity will be 2 plus of, we have 2 H2O ligand into, so H2O comes under monodendritic ligand. So it will have a denticity of 1. So totally 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. This is a very easy trick to find the coordination number.
Okay, students, try these questions and comment the answers below.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.